Are you looking to declutter and add some stylish furniture to your home? Do you feel like there's unused space in your house that could be put to better use? You're in luck. We've gathered 12 secret storage and furniture ideas that will help you organize and beautify your living space. From hidden vaults for your valuables to clever storage solutions, these ideas are practical and impressive. Before we start, kindly like, subscribe, and smash the notification bell to stay tuned. Are you ready? Now let's start. 1. Car lifts. Feeling like you're James Bond and you need to park your Aston Martin somewhere secure? Enter the car lift. This is the ultimate solution for anyone looking to double their parking space while keeping their vehicle safe and sound. Instead of a ramp, you get access to your garage via a lift. How cool is that? Installed with hydraulic shears, the lift can reach up to 3.5 meters high, which is enough to hide a Batmobile if you ever decide to upgrade. Plus, it operates at a speed of 0.06 meters per second and is whisper quiet. No more waking up the neighbors when you sneak out for a late-night drive. It's efficient, stylish, and makes your garage look like something out of a sci-fi movie. 2. Envision hidden TV. Imagine hosting a fancy dinner party, and suddenly, your elegant artwork flips 180 degrees to reveal your hidden television. That's what Envision Hidden TV offers. It's like having a secret identity, but for your TV. The frames come in various designs, so you can match them with your decor seamlessly. When not in use, the TV is completely disguised, leaving your guests none the wiser. Choose from wooden frames, art prints, or even mirrors. It's perfect for maintaining a clean and classic look while still having access to your favorite shows. 3. The Christ TV Ceiling Hinge. Tired of that bulky TV stand? Meet the Christ TV Ceiling Hinge. This nifty gadget allows you to hide your TV in the ceiling. Yes, you heard that right. Your TV can disappear into the ceiling and pop out like a jack-in-the-box whenever you want to watch something. Whether you have a 40-inch or a massive 98-inch screen, this hinge can handle it. It's perfect for those who want a minimalist look without sacrificing their entertainment system. Plus, installation is a breeze with self-adjusting limit switches. Just think of all the space you can save. 4. Solid carpentry secret rooms. Ever wanted to have your own secret room like Bruce Wayne? Solid Carpentry can make that dream a reality. They specialize in creating hidden rooms that blend perfectly with your home's existing decor. Using only the finest materials, these secret rooms are both practical and durable. Imagine having a cozy reading nook or a hidden office that no one knows about. It's like having a slice of Narnia right in your home. And with various finishes available, your secret room can be as stylish as it is secretive. 5. Couch bunker. Here's a conversation starter. Your couch doubles as a fire-rated gun safe. The couch bunker is exactly that. Hidden inside a custom-built couch, this safe is the ultimate in-home security. And guess what? The cushions are bulletproof. Talk about sitting on safety. Available in various styles with leather and fabric coverings, it can fit into any living room decor. The safe can hold up to 30 rifles and other valuables. It's quick to access too. Just remove the cushions and unlock the safe with 2 keys. Whether you're a gun enthusiast or just want extra security, this couch has got your back. Literally. 6. Quick Vent Safe. Got valuables you need to stash away quickly? The Quick Vent Safe is your best bet. Designed to look like a regular air vent, it blends seamlessly into any wall. To access it, just touch the RFID key to the sensor. No fumbling with codes or keys. It's perfect for hiding money, jewelry, or even small weapons. The RFID locking system ensures your items are secure, yet easily accessible in an emergency. It's the modern-day equivalent of hiding things under the floorboards, but way more high-tech and stylish. 7. Clock Safe Box. Imagine a wall clock that doubles as a secret safe. The Primo Supply wall clock does just that. On the outside, it looks like a regular clock, but inside, it hides a compartment perfect for stashing valuables. It's ideal for college students or anyone living in a small space. The classic design won't draw attention, making it perfect for keeping your belongings safe from prying eyes. Plus, it's a functional clock, so it's not just taking up space. It's like a 2-for-1 deal. 8. Understairs storage. Ever looked at the space under your stairs and thought, what a waste? Understairs storage is here to change that. It's the perfect way to utilize that awkward space and keep your hallways clutter-free. customizable to fit any staircase. This storage solution can hold anything from shoes to cleaning supplies to your secret stash of snacks. It's practical, looks great, and makes the most of every inch of your home. Who knew stairs could be so useful? 9. Book safe. For the book lovers out there, the book safe is a must-have. Disguised as a regular book, this lockbox is perfect for hiding small valuables. It blends in seamlessly with your bookshelf, so no one will suspect a thing. Made with high-grade materials, it's both durable and reliable. The lockbox features a 3-number combination lock, so you don't have to worry about losing keys. It's the perfect blend of function and disguise, making it a staple for any secretive bookworm. 10. Q-line nightstand. This isn't your average nightstand. The Q-line nightstand comes with a secret compartment that's perfect for hiding anything you don't want in plain sight. It's sleek, stylish, and fits perfectly into any home decor. Available in different styles, you can choose between hairpin metal legs or a floating design. Each piece is custom-made, so you can pick the wood and colors to match your room. It's not just a piece of furniture, it's a work of art with a secret. 11. Card table. Do you love hosting poker nights? The Nexus 21 card table is the ultimate addition to your game room. With a lift-activated poker table and a disappearing bar, it's sure to impress your friends. Made from American hardwoods, it features a telescoping lift system. At the press of a button, a fully concealed whiskey and spirit bar appears from under the table. There's also a poker chip vault and card storage area. It's perfect for those epic game nights and makes you the ultimate host. 12. Fox electrical outlet. Last but not least, the Fox electrical outlet is a hidden gem. It looks like a typical electrical outlet but hides a secret compartment underneath. Constructed from high-impact plastic and metal, it's both discreet and durable. Perfect for hiding cash, jewelry, or other small valuables. This wall safe can be installed horizontally or vertically. Just unlock it with a key to reveal the secret hiding spot. It's the perfect place for a rainy day fund or those extra special items you want to keep safe. Which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. If you like this video, kindly click the like button. Join the discussion about 12 secret storage and furniture ideas in the comments section, and subscribe to get more updates like this.